has been well made. Well made.
Yes.
I see it, so I know what you're gonna ask. No, because I've seen you. Yes, I've seen your case has been well made. Well made.
Yes.
I see it, so I know what you're gonna ask.
But a person like me, a mother, living in a rent house, that rent raise every 3 months, I am very uncomfortable. Building an 8-bedroom here for my kids. And before you even come and say something, they even say that we were issued with a warning. No, and they didn't find out how we got the land. It wasn't captured by them. I paid for my land.
Okay.
I paid 3 times because I couldn't afford it 1 time.
Oh, you mean don't pay? Installment. Okay.
I got my receipt.
When we examined the situation, we only acted when we were certain that certain steps were taken. So we had the evidence of the posting of stop orders. I will, so, no. Right, so that's one. Then number 2, the land that you claim to purchase, right? The government wants to know which arm of the government houses theirs, not much. So they're going to come, but remember what I said, that you are occupying land that were also for the people in Clifton. So they're going to talk. No, so may I say, I know it's not like Clifton, and that's what I'm saying to you.
Should have taken this before this, the demolition. We are human beings. Times are hard, things are hard. I don't know these people who occupy over there. She's one of the residents. Not because she doesn't reside in Clifton, not because her parents is like a sugar worker. That means I must say to her, come on, because you need to benefit from yourself. And we alone must benefit. A human being just like me.
So just,
things
I just
are
wanted to be clear, so that people understand, because you seem to have a very good understanding. The lots that are being developed are adjacent to the side or on the other side of the road. Right. I just want to be clear, just as what was being said.
Because I'm saying it publicly. On the drawing, SCTX said 400 and something lots were issued to Clifton. You can clarify that. That we should become legitimate landowners. When we were doing the survey, in the middle of the survey, we are trying to tally the houses. We stopped at 350 something. The player field was captured 401, and we're like, where are the remaining lots?
All right.
Excuse me, the remaining lots, we want to know if it's going to demolish.
All right, so I'm going to address that. So the purpose for my visit, and I fear that in all of this, this community, which is a hard-working community with people who are very ambitious, who are trying to build, may be stigmatized. I want the public to know, right? This is not the case. This community started with sugar workers, occupied the lands, and would have some rights to the land. Yes, the government acknowledges that and has been working for almost 20 years to have the through various administrations to have the community regularized. And that's how long it takes. Sometimes the survey, cut up the land, budget for infrastructure. So the community of Clifton, which is already surveyed, lots are marked out, titles are already there. This community has nothing to fear. And the government will put in place the infrastructure to upgrade the community. Now, there is an argument being made, which we are currently in the process of verifying, because we want to say we work with you, because you appear to be a very reasonable person, that in the survey of the property, because there would have to be the removal of houses where roads would have to go. Some of those houses would have to be relocated.
Yes, sir.
Now I want you to appreciate what I'm saying, so that the public understand why we have to act as well. Now when we start to develop here, the land that we reserve would have already been taken. Now I understand you have to be sympathetic for your sister who just move on, but it is also inimical to your own interests.
True, we understand.
Right, so I just want you to appreciate what I'm saying. Like that the government didn't come acting to take away anybody's rights. No. Some of the houses that are already there, what we have said, when we give the direction to move with demolition, is that if structures are incomplete, demolish those. And you know why? Those structures are actually on agriculture. If you look at it, and you have to be truthful, they are on the farmland. Right? Second thing we said, if a house is incomplete, but it has on a decking or a roof, we're going to leave it. The person who is doing it must come to us and they must tell us how they came by the land and give us all the information, and then we will sit with them, as you say, work out a situation with them, and we will see how we can facilitate. Hold on. But the houses that are already built, which are already built in the area that we are designated as the kind of spillover, those persons must come to the SCJ and we start a negotiation. Now it may not be that all the land that they can get. They might get a piece of it because we still have to find land to put the people who have to move over there. Fairness, no sir?
Fairness.
Right, so as long as you're willing to work, we will find a solution. However, there must be something. I don't know, I mean they have to work it out with SCJ, but just be something. Alright, let them work that out. I'm not going to get involved in that unless a problem arises, but let them work with the agency that owns the land. No, but those sorry, Vince, you want to jump?
I just ladies and gentlemen, I know on this occasion all the details are not going to be settled. But what I want to make clear further through what the Prime Minister has said and discussions we have had. One, there is an halt on any further demolition. That's number one. That halt will continue until the dialogue spoken of, Natalie spoke about the background, that dialogue continues with SCJ and establish in a 1, 2, 3 way what is going to be done in respect of those houses that have already been demolished, those houses that have started construction, those lots that were allotted but there is no construction yet. All of those will be addressed. Until that is done, no further action will be taken because we want to make sure that no further injury occurs to anybody who is undeserving of it.
Well, it's not for fit to the case. But since he has gone ahead.
So, sir, I'm going to get you shot. Don't tell me to shut up because I know your money. Do not tell me to shut up. Sir, let me talk. Do not tell me to shut up. I mean, to know that I'm about to tell me to shut up. I don't feel like I'm going to give him my money for that. And every time I tell me to shut up, everybody. Nobody not tell me about what I'm saying about it. I want to know what I want. Head up, head. Nobody not tell me nothing. Nobody not tell me nothing.
No, we need to get this. I understand. And I remember I said to you, I'm going to come and speak to you. Relax, alright? I know, my dear. Alright, so in closing, we will have dialogue. I know your one. So what I'm saying, we will have dialogue with you. Your house is not. Your house is
At the end of the day, no follow
again, let me thank you. You've been very, very hospitable to me, and you're a member of Parliament. Again, let me thank you.